welcome back to my beauty channel. Today we're going to redo my Polygel nails. I bought some new Polygel from Wish. This is the first shade. Well, I bought a bunch of them. This is the one we're going to use today, number 3 Nude. I'm going to use my slip solution from Wish as well. And I'm going to use this Rosaline matte gel polish. I've already washed my hands and nails with some water and soap. So we begin with filing down the nails. I'm prepping the nails by using a clipper and a tool for pushing back the cuticle. And I'm also removing unwanted dead skin. I'm just trying to make them nice and ready. The prepping step is actually very important for making your nails last, and it also prevents them from lifting. When I'm done with the filing, I take this nail brush and I remove all the dust from the nails. Now it's time to apply this base coat from Wish as well. I only apply it where my own nails have grown out and then cure it for 60 seconds. I clear my brush to make sure no old gel is stuck in the bristles. Pour some slip solution into the lid and clean the brush with the solution as well. Now I apply the polygel to the nail. I dip my brush into the slip solution and start to form my nail. And when you feel like the bristles are working against you and it's just getting stuck into the gel, well, then it's time to use some more slip solution. When I feel satisfied with the result, I cure the nail for 90 seconds. I apply one more layer, even though they're already pretty thick. Well, it's just because the first shade is peeking through. These nails actually ended pretty thick, and I regret that I didn't remove the first ones completely before I applied new polygel. But when I'm satisfied with the second layer, I cure it again for 90 seconds. I clean the nail and start to file. I go back and forth between different nail files because, well, they all sucked, and I realized these set of nails would become thick as hell, and it would take me hours to file. It was like filing with toilet paper, pretty much. I brush off all of the dust and apply the matte gel polish and cure it for 60 seconds. I did the same to the rest of the nails, except from the little finger. For that one I used a nail form So this is the final set of nails, and as I said before, I wasn't satisfied at all. And the last step is cuticle oil, so I just apply it to all of the fingers and massage it in. So I know they didn't turn out as I wanted, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!